Got the tornado sirens going off now. I think we're on the back side of it though, whatever's going on. It's not good out here. Said there's all kinds of debris across the highway. Construction signs blown into the road. Lying down in the road. I hope this is the end of this.